The WELOCK U71 arrives in a compact retail box with everything neatly organized and well protected. Inside, you'll find the smart lock cylinder, two mechanical backup keys, three RFID cards, an Allen key, a Phillips screwdriver, mounting screws, and printed installation documentation. The only item not included is the three AAA batteries required to power the lock. I appreciated that the package includes almost everything needed for a quick and straightforward installation. The WELOCK U71 leaves an excellent impression with its robust construction. Combining a stainless steel cylinder with durable polycarbonate components, it feels exceptionally solid and well-engineered, while remaining lightweight enough for everyday use. Every element fits together with precision, from the rotating knob to the keypad, giving the lock a premium feel that inspires confidence in its long-term reliability. It is clearly designed to withstand frequent daily operation while maintaining consistent performance over time. The WELOCK U71 adopts a clean, modern design that integrates naturally with contemporary homes and apartments. Its brushed metal finish complements most existing door hardware, while the compact exterior module avoids the oversized appearance common to many smart locks. The fingerprint sensor is positioned above the illuminated numeric keypad for intuitive operation, and the surrounding LED status ring provides clear visual feedback without being distracting. The overall design successfully balances functionality with a refined, minimalist aesthetic. The WELOCK U71's biggest advantage is its flexibility, offering 6 different unlocking methods. Fingerprint recognition was my favorite, providing fast and reliable access while supporting up to 100 stored fingerprints. The numeric keypad accepts up to 200 PIN codes for family, guests, or service providers, and the 3 included RFID cards offer a convenient alternative for children or elderly users. 2 mechanical keys provide reliable emergency backup, and the lock can also be unlocked via Bluetooth using the WELOCK mobile app when you're nearby. WELOCK U71 makes a strong first impression. It offers premium build quality, multiple unlocking options, straightforward installation, and an intuitive Android app for easy management. For anyone looking to upgrade a compatible Euro profile door with modern keyless entry, the U71 appears to be a promising and well-engineered solution.